Subwoofers? Subwoofers? I don't need to install any stinking subwoofers. So what do you think of that action, huh? That was a real sub. I just crushed the crap out of it. Welcome to the shed. I'm your host, Jason. This week, talking about soundbars. In fact, the PowerBar 235 from Atlantic Technology, to be exact. Yes, that Atlantic Technology. This right here is not your ordinary soundbar. The Atlantic Technology PowerBar 235 has a patented cabinet alignment. This is an H-Pass speaker. What it means is that this thing actually plays way down into the 40s. All about that bass. You do not need a subwoofer with the soundbar. Now, okay, wait a minute. I hear you say it. You don't need a subwoofer with any soundbar. Yeah, but this one is made to sound amazing without a sub. It's a slim profile. It totally replaces a full-blown AVR subwoofer satellite package, full bandwidth audio. It's covered. One thing you might notice about it, right? You get this big dome. Like, what is the dome? What if I want to wall mount it? What if I want to put that under a TV and now the TV's here and it's going to look odd? It's not going to look odd, because what you do is you turn it off, you do a little bit of this, and then when you install it on the wall, you install it like this. So the pod is under the TV. TV can get nice and tight right up to that soundbar. Pricing is awesome. It's got Atlantic's legendary durability. You can install these things and you forget about them. It's a versatile soundbar. It's a mature product. Don't joke around with it. It takes everything very seriously. No, it's been in the market. It's got a lot of great reviews. I use one of these all the time with a PS4. It's a great sounding product. Check this thing out. You can't go wrong. Atlantic Technology PowerBar 235. This is Jay from the shed. I gotta go pick up the guts of that subwoofer. I gotta go clean up. I'm out of here. I'm out of here. I'm out of here. Can't force a pun. You can lead a pun to water. No, it's not punny at all. I think it look like really cool. Gotta do my warm up. Blah, 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 blah. This thing is huge and I cannot frame myself with it. It gets 25 miles a gallon. I use one with my game system, my PlayStation. My PlayStation, I sound like a child. I am a child. No, Reed takes that shit too far.